Right, so state who you are
I am Gus Emery.
and what did you do your talk on? Because you're done now, right?
Yes, I am done, and I talked on resting in the MVC framework.
And what does that actually mean?
Well, that means that there are services called RESTful services that have been kind of the frame of a lot of places building their services as. It's an architecture of service architecture. Anyway, it allows a user to get representations of items and allows them to either cache them or not cache them, and tells them where to get other informations. Hence, say a order will have items, but each item is a number of products, and it would actually represent the product as another URI or URL or a way to get that product from another service, so that you can actually go in and fully describe something that you're doing.
Okay. I'm just throwing this out here because I have absolutely no idea. Is this in any way somewhat similar or tied in any way to OData?
I haven't touched OData yet, so
Okay.
I'm not sure. But
Okay.
I'm sure that a lot of different web service frameworks come from other ones. REST was actually developed back when HTTP was developed, and technically the HTTP 1.1 protocol is a RESTful style protocol. So in other words, you have a URI that you point at and you get data back and display it.
Okay. So that's the whole get, post,
Get, post,
delete, and whatever.
Yep, get, post, put, and delete. Yes.
Put. Yes, that's right.
Yes.
Okay.
So, in other words, the nice thing that MVC does is it allows you to easily create JSON or XML streams to put back to your client. It also easily allows you to attach everything.
Wait, I'm sorry. Hold on a second. I got really distracted. Is that an iPad?
Yes, it is.
I saw that in the corner of
I
my eye.
didn't
I'm
mean to
like,
distract you or anything.
it's like, ooh, an iPad. Ooh,
It is.
sexy.
It is an iPad.
Ooh. All right, sorry.
Okay, so say you wanted to order an iPad. No. Anyway, the nice thing about MVC is because of its broken up framework and it's easy to reproduce. Very easy human readable URLs to go out and get users or get products or get a product ID or get lists of orders or whatnot in a very streamlined URL, so that people can reuse and bookmark and things like that. So.
Okay, so last question, because this is something I asked Kurt about with Clojure. Is it Clojure or Clojure? You said JSON, and I've heard JSON. What is it's like GIF or Git or GIF or what's the official one?
I'm not sure what the official one is. I
Okay.
just said JSON because you're Jason, and I didn't want to say that I'm transferring
Douglas
you across the
Crawford
line.
says JSON.
So that was one of the reasons why I said that. Most people, I think, are using XML today. I think the JSON or JSON, whatever they want to actually call it, protocol actually streamlines your data so that you have a lot less data to transfer. It's probably better for mobile devices and things like the iPad to transfer.
Which is over
JSON.
there right now.
Over there. It's cool.
Yes,
So
it is.
anyway, it just allows easy representation of a controller to actually know what the client is actually requesting and just return it in any way possible to that client. So.
All right, cool. Thank you. And now I'm going to zoom in on the iPad again because it's just so sexy.
Actually,
It's like a big eye touch.
It is a big iPad, and
here's a
isn't
cool
that
demo.
great?
Here's a cool demo. So I was just kind of messing with it, and it knows that it needs to rotate that many levels. So it knows orientation, which is like, wow.
What's its drop shock factor? Should we find out?
About 3.5 feet so far.
So far, you've done it already?
Do you have any idea? Every device I own has been dropped from about counter height at least once within its first month of life.
And this has
that's
already
no
been dropped?
different.
Okay,
That has been dropped.
It's like a mini surface table,
nice.
only affordable.
Only affordable. Nice.